Hello everyone. Today we will visit Rock Garden, Chandigarh. Rock Garden of Chandigarh is one of the most unique and creative tourist place in India. It is located in Sector 1 of Chandigarh, near Shukna Lake. The garden is famous for its amazing sculptures made from waste materials like broken bangles, tiles, bottles, and industrial scrap. History and creators. It is created by Nek Chand in 1957, built secretly in spare time, later recognized and preserved by the government. It shows how creativity can turn waste into beauty. Its main attractions: beautiful sculptures of human and animals, waterfalls and pathways, village themed structures, open air theatre, doll museum, and swings. Visitors feel like entering a lot kingdom of art and imagination.